How to fix FIFA 23 not launching on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix FIFA 23 not launching on your PC or FIFA 23 on EA apps not launching on your device. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, and now there might be several other reasons why this kind of issue occurs on your device. If the FIFA 23 is not launching on your PC through your EA app or Steam, you can try following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First of all, you can check your system's requirement. Ensure that your PC meets the maximum system requirement for FIFA 23. Check the game's store page or EA app or Steam that requires specification. You can also update your graphic drivers. So outdated or incompatible graphic drivers can cause launching issues. Update your GPU drivers to the latest version and malfunctioning and manufacturer's website. So in order to update your drivers, you'll need to open up your device manager. So open up Windows tab and then type in device manager. So after you open up a device manager, from here you'll need to look for display adapters and right click on your mouse. After that, go to properties. Once you've done that, go to just tap on OK. Now go to disk drivers and go to properties. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of information. So go ahead and select disk drivers and click on the OK button. So after that, you'll be able to find an option as update drivers. You'll need to click on it and it's gonna take a while. So you need to restart your PC once again, and that's gonna fix your issue all at once. After updating your graphic drivers, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can verify game file. So if you're using Steam, right click on the FIFA game on the game library. Go to properties. After that, tap on local files and then click on verify integrity of game files. This will check and repair any corrupted file or missing files. You can also update the game. Make sure that the FIFA game is up to date. The developer often releases patches to fix bugs and improve game performances. You can also disable background application. If your device has multiple background running on, then what you can do is you can simply close all of the windows and that is not in use, or else what you can just go to task manager, right click right at the bottom, go to task manager, and from here you can just close all of the unnecessary and unused backgrounds. This might be one of the easiest solutions to fix the issue. Apart from it, you can also run it as an administrator. So you need to right click on a game shortcut or executable file and run as administrator. Now this ensures that the game has necessary performance permissions to run. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can directly get a support of the customer service team and they'll look into your matter. In this way, you can fix your FIFA 23 not launching on your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.